Alright, let's do a farm update. So I was showing the shop off. So, we got some cast iron. We got a TV that someone donated that really has nothing of value other than it goes to the trash. We got a dryer sitting there that goes to the appliance guy whenever he decides to answer the phone. It's just miscellaneous. It's getting thin. Got some old ice machine covers here. They got stainless, so we got to peel them apart. Got some aluminum bottle brush, whatever, AC coils, aluminum. Some other AC accessories, some fans. Squirrel cage sitting over there. There's a deep fryer. Whoops. Deep fryer, that's all stainless. I gotta peel all that apart. Got us a nice truck box. That's a keeper. And then we have I think there's another oil fryer, French fryer, whatever I'm trying to say. All of a sudden I lost train of thought. Ooh, watch that hole. Deep fryer, duh. And some more AC stuff. Let's take a walk down. Grass ain't so bad. The hay, they're getting cold. It's starting to lay down. I gotta get as Pete would say, get me some goats in here, but I gotta get a lawnmower. He's got an old paneling off of a aluminum trailer, you know, like semi-trailer. Yeah, that's gonna be fun. Not. Got a few rads laying over here. Couple window shaker air conditioners, more sealed units. There's plenty of sealed units laying around here. Got us an antique seeder, I believe. You put the seed in there and you pull it behind the tractor. I don't think we'll scrap that. Got what speed up of a lawnmower. Got some old washer drums. That one may be stainless. Got some of Tommy's seats still sitting here from Styx Outdoors. Got another dryer. I don't think the appliance man's going to want that one. We'll find out. And then we got I don't know what that is. Looks like an air conditioner. Might be two things mixed in with it. Not sure. Got a bunch of aluminum coils laying around. Oh, definitely got to get a mower and a weed eater back in here. Got a couple air compressors, air pumps. Break apart. Oh, bear with me. And then back here, the last of the goodies. Got some appliances, some more air conditioners. Yeah. And then where that mower is sitting, that tractor upright, right behind there is where all the sealed units are, the bulk of the sealed units are. So, it's, you know, we're getting there. Got an antique wheelchair. Those lights, they're all aluminum. I think they still got, I know they got wires and ballast in them, so we got to sort all that out. Got some refrigerator stuff underneath these weeds. Yeah, I don't know about that mess. I got to get to it eventually. An old filing cabinet, got some air conditioners, some more aluminum, some kind of signage. Other appliances. Yeah. Mother Nature's trying to take it all back over. Can't allow that. So that's good. We still got some rads left. Of course, we got a nice pile of wire. Boom, over zoom. And some shreddy shred. There's 3 years worth of hordes getting knocked down. Hopefully it'll be all out here by spring. Depends how cold it gets for this Florida boy. And if snow hits the ground, I won't be out here if it snows. Nope, ain't gonna do it. Then we gotta roll around here with the magnet. And of course, this is we got a piece of brass, we got a copper dryer. All that stuff has to be picked up. Yep, just a lot more going at it. Well, that's the farm update. Hope you enjoyed it. Take care. Give me a thumbs up. God bless.